Welcome to the Saudi-Expatriates channel. Today, we are uncovering the immense power of giving through Zakat, a practice that defines generosity in the Muslim world. Stay with us as we delve into an extraordinary journey of charity, faith, and unity. Did you know that the largest act of charity is happening every year, almost invisibly? Yes, through Zakat, the Muslim community, which makes up 24% of the world's population, is donating an estimated $2 to $3 trillion globally. This incredible form of wealth transfer remains largely unorganized and unseen, moving silently from hand to hand without any fanfare. Zakat, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, is not just a duty but a purification of wealth. By giving away 2.5% of one's assets to those in need, Muslims are not only supporting the underprivileged but also cleansing their own wealth. It's a profound act of faith and compassion. Who must pay Zakat? It's incumbent upon every Muslim whose wealth exceeds certain thresholds, such as owning more than 87 grams of gold or 612 grams of silver, including bank balances, stocks, and other assets. This ensures that the aid reaches those who need it most, from the poor and indebted to those striving in the cause of God. Zakat is paid to various groups: the poor, the indebted, those stranded or traveling, and even to those working to distribute Zakat itself. However, it's interesting to note that immediate family members are not eligible recipients, promoting wider community support. While Zakat can be given at any time, many choose to do so during Ramadan, a month of blessings and heightened rewards. This tradition not only strengthens community bonds but also ensures that the spirit of giving is alive throughout the year. As we've seen, Zakat is a remarkable testament to the generosity and faith of the Muslim community. It's a reminder that in giving, we find purification, unity, and peace. Thank you for joining us in exploring this beautiful pillar of Islam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful stories. And remember to visit Saudi-Expatriates.com and follow us on social media for updates. Until next time, happy giving.